Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I make sweets bracelets with all the charms, and we got plenty of orders to do today. So I've already started with one for a client. I'm wondering if I should have put this one on the top, but I feel like it'll just slide. So, but these are sweets bracelets. Okay, so I gotta open this up. At the time that I need Katie, she is not here. Katie, get home. I'm going to get her today, y'all, so. But I'll take these and I open them. They can be difficult sometimes. Sometimes they cause trouble. But I got it. So then I pick out basically colors, and then I just kind of like mix the colors up from off of the sucker of what I might want on her. So basically they're randomly picked, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to show y'all how I make one. And again, Katie normally helps me out, but she's not here, so I'm kind of doing it without her. And she usually picks the good colors too. Pretty much already got that one. Let's do this one. Just to throw some colors in. And trying to find a good color to go with this sucker. And me, I like all colors, so I might put anything with it. Okay, so then I take and I put the gummy bear on. Oh, and these are going for 2 for $10, you guys. They come 2 in a box for $10. And the sale will last till Sunday. And then they go back to the original price of $6. I do have other bracelets that I do, and we pretty much call them the luxury bracelets, like Chanel and all that good stuff. So and I have corporate tunnel, y'all, so this hand right here is horrible. And sometimes I have to open the bracelet up a little more just to get this one on, because for some reason it's candy wrapper. One don't like going on easily. Okay, so I am done with the bracelets. Let me get it. I got like 100 orders that's gotta go out this week, y'all, so I can't do all of them on the video, but I will show you that Now it's done. Trying to hurry up and get this one on before my video cut off.